What's the tip? Tell me everything. What's the tip? What's the tip?
Hi guys!
Welcome back to our fourth episode. I'm Chris.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Corn, and this is What's the Tag?
Yes. We're coming back in a new month. This month is March. Yeah. May mga March na kan.
Kotan ko na sa
Anyway, guys, how are you guys? How was your Chinese New Year? How was your puasa? Moon puasa?
Say the
That's
post.
my answer.
Yeah. Sakit ko nga.
Matok ko nga
Oh my god, what happened to your voice?
Orang madak ko nga.
Raspy.
I didn't
Rokok na.
No I just celebrated my niece's birthday.
Oh, I see, I see.
Tapi saya dah no.
What happened?
No.
Bukan dia kau celebrate.
No Saya dah minum, saya dah karaoke, saya dah ngepapay.
Rasa because of weather ko.
Yeah,
Oh.
I think.
Weather this few days nya kadang hujan, kadang panas. Like today macam hari tu teh hujan, mari panas.
Yalah.
Kau aku tak balik. Sorry. Hari tu panas, mari hujan.
Kenapa sangat kau enabler? Yalah teh ya.
Tapi banyak orang order lagi net tu.
Ya,
Especially kids.
Betul. I don't know what's the new penyakit.
Kini kan spreading TB.
Not the rotavirus kah?
Rotavirus
For
was
the kids.
before that. Yeah, for the kids rotavirus.
Rotavirus is what?
Ya virus yang suruh
Demam kah?
suruh. Apa ya? Ceret nang
Oh, cherry.
diarrhea.
No.
Happens only to the kids lah. Caught lah, I don't know.
Even to adults
Oh, ya kah?
Ya,
Boleh berjangkit.
boleh.
Boleh.
Rotavirus ya. Aku rasa
Takut.
aku sih tahu lah aku kena rotavirus ke apa, tapi time aku nang ada diarrhea juga.
Girl.
Udah diarrhea, aku sakit. Am I not God's favorite? Yeah.
Maybe this is your battle.
Yeah, this is my battle in this world.
Tapi TB pun menular juga net tu.
Yes. Sarawak
I
the
mean-
third highest kan?
Yeah. So scary.
Oh.
But how TB
Macam-macam
can berjangkit? TB is the batuk kering, right?
Tahu,
Yeah,
betul yang
tuberculosis.
kid. She's a scientist or
But
whatever.
how can TB berjangkit lah?
Also berjangkit tapi nya
Betul kan,
through
juga, kan?
bodily fluids macam ya lah.
Oh.
Nya boleh jadi air liur.
Ya, si boleh berkongsi makanan lah kita pas tu.
Takut ah.
Minus lah.
Aku janji aku bukan TB ke?
Aku
Janji, aku dah jumpa doktor. Doktor say nothing. Ya.
Janji abang tak main-main. Anyway, last 2 weeks, while I was scrolling my TikTok, you guys ada nangga the what we call that, the crash between Kenneth and also siblings punya.
Girl. It was everywhere.
I know, right? Mula-mula aku nangga aku macam, what is this issue? Sebab aku nangga yang di TikTok ya, they don't literally madah apa yang terjadi ba. So I thought macam perbalahan ataupun pergaduhan yang biasa-biasa lah between netizen. And then bila I go through, especially dekat threads yang ada bagi the chronology, padahal masa konser.
Concert? Which concert?
I don't know.
Nya ada this one K-pop.
K-pop.
K-pop kena ayam gepok.
Kau kena ya
Sorry, I don't know. Yeah. Nya ada this one K-pop idol pun group boy band doing this concert. I don't know. I forget already that di Malaysia. Kan the regulations every concert yang orang pola. Lain negara, lain regulations ba. So it's not the same as what they do in South Korea itself. So the issue is ada fan of that idol group from South Korea datang ke Malaysia untuk nangga the concert juga. But they bring professional camera.
Oh, kasi boleh.
Yeah. Aku baru tahu yang actually concert di Malaysia you cannot bring professional cameras into, because I never go to concert anyway.
Why?
Literally. Yeah.
Why?
Sebab si bapa aku pun tak tahu pahalnya, tapi there's a lot of macam restriction to what you can and what you cannot bring inside the concert hall lah. I've been to a few concerts. I'm not that aware of benda macam ni lah. ada seorang lagi kawan Medua yang memang avid fan of
Yeah, yeah.
K-pop,
Mm-mm.
so she knows better. I don't
Oh.
Might probably because of that concert. Sebab aku kan concert yang macam dekat tempat yang not that big also lah. It's not in the stadium. Nya macam just a hall ke. And then sometimes kan the artists tu they have their professionals photographer juga apa. Might be that's the case macam they just want the audience, the fans yang datang pergi concertnya just to enjoy.
Enjoy, faham.
Yeah.
Kalau mun kau bawa kamera nang besar,
Oh,
you're taking my space ba?
maybe that's
And then kau
why.
cover orang belakang
Yes.
gitu.
Yes, yes.
Yes, I think that's why.
Accidents lagi.
Ya, aku
True.
cakap kau ni. I think that's why.
That's the
My
issue sebenarnya sebab the Malaysian fans was like they were asking clarifications of the agency yang pola concert ya for the idol, like why you allowed these fans from SK South Korea to bring professional camera sedangkan kita yang local tak dibenarkan untuk bawa.
Mhm.
Then when the South Korea punya fans tahu yang Malaysia punya fan bukan mengata pun, actually they were asking clarification sebenarnya for
Oh.
the agency, but that fans, that K-pop idol fans daripada South Korea ya macam trigger. And then bila sidanya trigger they were asking like this our camera we can bring. And
Mm.
then Malaysia fans like madah apa your camera is like disrupting our view semua ya. Teruslah pembalahan dia berlaku.
Oh, contoh?
I search on threads, siblings versus yeah.
Mhm.
Then this is like a summary lah. Siblings versus Sokor summary. At first, it was Malaysia versus South
Mm.
Korea. The reason, big cameras at the concert. Okay, point one, Kennets criticized the rice quality in C. SEA. And then Thais, Indos, Viets, and Philos went on to argue about plastic surgeries to English proficiency level.
Damn.
I saw the issue, but I
Mm.
wasn't that invested.
Mm-mm.
So
I was invested.
I wasn't invested. I was like, okay, what's going on? Okay,
know.
scroll.
Tapi yang lucu adalah komen-komen yelah it's because the issue yang SK bawa-bawa negara pasal kita pun country development semua everything.
Oh, sebab kita sih mampu beli kamera kan yang. Oh,
Yes.
faham.
We're like not a modern country, not a very developed country, something like that. Yeah, yang triggered issue actually.
Mhm.
It's quite interesting lah actually. Thank you for our saudara-saudara di Indonesia. Yeah, because they are the
Makasih ya,
one that making
guys.
us up actually.
Good job. There's one funny comment.
Yeah, go.
Namanya. To the thing that I said just now, there's this one person commented, they criticize our rice, the audacity for people who eat microwave rice. Consider attack. Consider Korean makan microwave rice.
Oh,
Setidaknya ada dekat
Sedangkan
Sidap pun
memang ada
Mart.
ready
Mm-mm.
packed rice. And then banyak lah komen-komen. And the funny thing is Dada Korea ya reply in Korean ba. And
Oh,
it
macam ni setidaknya boleh apply dengan
Yeah.
language barrier ya.
translation lah, got translation
Oh, yalah.
AI kan. But then kita yang daripada siblings, so I don't know it's Indonesian or it's us or other country like Philippines ataupun Thailand yang madah. Can you yang pakai slang apa namanya English Korean ya?
You.
Yeah. Can you speak English please?
English ya.
Something like
Macam
that.
Konglish lah.
Yeah. And then another one yang paling funny for me is you guys cannot use caps lock like untuk setidaknya put Hangul,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
The
Hangul,
word, the Korean word, Hangul everything. We don't know whether you mad or not if us nagbogok comment niya. But Indonesians punya netizen memang hauliao lah dengan Malaysia punya netizen. Like what I respect about that issue is I didn't expect our brotherhood.
You.
Probably sisterhood.
Yeah. Brotherhood ka, sisterhood ka between the countries is memang very rapat, even though kita pun selalu menghina each other kan, but when people attack our seas territory, Southeast Asia territory, benda yang pun nampak, very nampak.
You're pro-Korean, right?
Yeah.
That's why I was very silent.
You were born in Seoul, Korea, right?
Yeah.
Sebenarnya guys,
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. Korea bu. Sebenarnya aku sih adalah very invested dengan this whole situation because satu I don't like. Bukan sebab Korean je lah kot. Aku even yang macam Malaysian, Indonesian pun pergaduhan pun. Even yang macam bola sepak kan. Aku sih nangkap bola sepak, but I don't like the fact that ada pergaduhan. I'm a peace lover.
Wah.
Ya betul.
Why would kita gaduh tentang benda ya? Tapi
Yeah.
aku sih memihak pada siapa-siapa lah. South Korean fans pun sepatutnya tahu lah. Tapi semua South Korean fans
Ya,
kena
ya,
lah.
ya, ya.
That particular person ya sebenarnya.
Actually, it's like 0.02%
Oh.
of the
Nobody cares.
Population.
ada statistik, okay? Setidaknya pola analisis siapa yang fans yang actually pola masalah hebat.
Hmm.
Even South Korea kirim pun macam actually we don't know these people. And then yeah, that's the interesting issue that balik kaki aku. Interesting issue yang I got from these 2 weeks of 1 week Chinese New Year holiday, and then another week yang kita sedang shooting.
Yeah.
How about you guys?
Aku siapa panggil? I just celebrated my niece's birthday, then my son's birthday. Lost my voice. Gain it back. Probably gonna lose it again today. How about you?
No, I was just monitoring kita pun videos for the
Oh.
past weeks. Nangga-nangga je lah kan.
Support diri sendiri kan. Yeah.
Yeah, support diri sendiri. Tangga lah, but most people ada nangga jual lah. Tapi it's still growing. Let's just say that.
We need more, guys.
It's still,
Dia lebih berbunga, saya tidak. We need more. We
Yeah.
need more viewers. Gitu.
Aku sih peduli sebab anakku suka tangga kita.
kau paksa je tengok
Yeah.
kan.
I put it on the TV, then he was like, focus je
Oh
tangga kita.
yeah, I got a DM regarding this.
Really?
Kan we were talking about Bunsu Baya.
Oh my
Can
God.
go back to that.
The
Aku
last
nangga balita.
episode.
Yeah, excited ko. This
Uh,
is our first message.
Yeah, girl, what was it?
Ada juga komen di YouTube nya minta invite sebab dia ada story sama.
Benar. Kena aku sinang kau.
Ada dekat not in our podcast one, in our shorts.
Oh, shots kita.
Our
Okay.
shots.
Wait, let me see.
Please invite me. I have true story katanya.
Seronok.
Yeah. Cerita tu nya berlaku. Isi kuat lain aku stress.
Ayah, do you need hotspot?
Sorry. Jabat.
Bukan aku wifi kang
Ada wifi.
Hmm.
Come on.
Kena aku pakai meledek kau. Okay, let me off that.
Okay, sebenarnya aku ada sikit cerita yang from our DMs.
Oh my God,
Some people
excited.
DM me because this was from the episode
3.
Yes, episode 3 yang previous episode yang tentang Bunsu Baya ya.
Supaya,
Hmm.
interesting.
Because apparently it happened sebenarnya kuat banyak sebenarnya, tapi this is one of many yang DM aku lah.
Aku terlalu nervous muka aku.
Oh.
The person.
Nya pun cousin. Nya pun
okay.
cousin. So this DM was from Miss K, nama dirahsiakan.
Okay, Miss K.
Hello,
Miss
Miss K.
Shout out to Miss K. Thank you for sharing your story. Nyamada, just watch your podcast on Bunsu Baya. My cousin kalak jadi mangsa. Pemali kita iban nak tahu bersuguh maya mandi bersungai. Dia ambil yang mimpi bertemu dengan lelaki sigat bersungai. Lepas tu dah bersuguh lah. Okay. Dan malamnya dia ambil yang mimpi bertemu dengan lelaki sigat bersungai. Lalu bertunang di bait lakinya.
Ya.
Iya.
Girl.
Come on nak. Okay, banyak dah. Oh my God.
And then so tiap malam bunsunya ngabas cousinku ke rumah Panjai. Pagi sigit nang penuh ngotapak kaki baya bak rumahnya.
Oh my God.
Girl.
Literally nampak.
Oh, berpasir lah kot. Berpasir, ya. Berpasir. Dalam dunia nyata, my cousin wasn't being herself. Merampau ngigat laki ya.
Ayo.
Laki ya lah.
Mm-mm.
Lucky.
Ya, laki ya. And then aku tanya macam, oh my god, kesiannya. How is your cousin now though? Dan dia macam, okay, dia tu berubat cara kita iban. Sebab the family kurang my cousin laban dia selalu kat pergi sungai malam hari. Ngek!
Malam hari.
Rumah panjang setidaknya memang dekat dengan sungai kan?
Yes, apparently.
Oh, I see.
Yes, tidaknya pergi ke sungai, akan pergi ke sungai malam-malam. So, nya terpaksa dikurung lah. Supayanya secara si sedang mau pergi ke sungai. Bisik manang nya mada, it takes time to recover. Nanti full moon baru boleh ngadunya.
Bulan penuh.
Yes.
Girl, macam
Wait,
movie.
So, yeah, I was just gonna say that.
Wait.
Basically, oh my god, is that not the climax? Yeah.
Padahal gini, dia macam bisik, kan bisik problem,
Ah.
bisik problem solving lah. Tiba.
Okay, faham.
What they did was Meli cincin emas and then the Manang macam ngampun deh. Ngampun tu macam I suppose they do miring lah kot. Ngampun selalunya miring lah. Dahnya alo nikau cincin emasnya ke dalam sungai. Berarti ya putus tunang.
Terima
Oh.
kasihnya.
I don't know.
She's getting better, so I guess.
Ya, cousinku Madah cukup sigat bungsunya. Tinggi, putih, tegap.
Ya.
Bakal
Tick all the boxes lah.
bakal madak keleng ko ya. Maybe true.
Semaan.
Oh, dia boleh berubah jadi apa-apa aja.
Oh,
Sekali
betul, betul.
jadi si kaca nak oh.
No.
Mesti the Bunsu knows sorry lah ha. The Bunsus tahu idol type cousin kali.
Ah, kan? Dia dah tahu dah.
Nemu sudah ada. It sounds very K-pop.
Yeah.
Oh, white. Nama kita dek
Kan?
tegap.
Mestinya
Rar.
Okay, lepas ni Madah after putus tunang first few nights bakal nyabak mati laki cousin kunya.
Oh, kena.
Adik.
Contoh.
Iya lah teh berai.
Oh. Aku dah lama ke benda tu? Madah it happened slightly after Gawai last year.
Oh my god, that's recent.
Oh, it was
That's
6
recent.
months ago lah.
Yeah.
6 or 7 months ago. Girl.
Ingat. Scary.
Oh ya,
Buat
ceritanya.
dalam
So
mulut.
nya masih recovering lah.
Dia know
sebenarnya.
yang bersugu apa kita boleh bersugu dekat sungai oh. By the way guys, bersugu is bersikat ataupun menyisir rambut ya. To those yang tak tahu bahasa Iban gitu. Anyway, thank you Miss K for sharing your stories about your cousin dengan kami. We would like to hear other people punya stories
Yes,
juga.
please do guys. Keep it coming.
Yes, okay. You guys can DM him.
Okay, okay.
DM him sebab dia yang
Social
private.
media pun boleh dekat.
Ya,
Oh ya,
What's the
maksudnya.
teh?
betul-betul dekat kami orang punya social media What's the Teh DM, komen mana-mana yang available untuk anda. Alright?
Yeah.
Share juga if you guys have any issues or benda yang mau orang tiga bahaskan di dalam podcast kami pun dipersilahkan ya. And we are coming to our end of our episode. This is only a catch-up episode for the three of us. See you on the next episode, guys. But before we end,
And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and share. And also, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to our channel, please.
yeah.
Mm.
And this is the end of our episode 4. See you guys next week. Bye.
Bye.